Guys, it's your boy Mark. You here with Team Profit Over Wages. We're really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today, I will be showing with y'all how easy it was for me to get these 16 customers and a different method that I was using today with Instagram that actually allowed me to get potential clients or TSA members. So let's head over here to my Instagram page. Let me show you the exact post that I made. Don't get distracted with the pretty girls that are on my Instagram, but I'm just trying to get to it. So this is what I decided to post on my page, guys, and let's see. This is what I said. I said, heads up, I'm getting paid when people travel now and this summer because of this website I'm sharing. It's going viral online. They need more people before back to school. I'm already in. Let me know if you want that info. So, what actually happened was people went on this. I ran an Instagram ad on it for like $5. Had 3,726 people see this one ad. 483 people skipped it. 20 people viewed my profile, and I have a link in my description which one person clicked on. But that is not bad for that being just the first day, day one. I have 4 more days remaining, and I've already reached this many people. So, with that being said, I'm gonna show you exactly what happened um, once people were interested in the opportunity and the messages that I got and how I decided to follow up with them and how I went about it. So this person commented on it and I just said, hey, when we be able to review the information if I send it to you today, and also when we have time to set up an online meeting slash interview, which I will use Zoom. It's easy. You can connect with different people. I can show him the presentation video. I can ask him questions. He can ask me questions. It's basically connecting with people instead of just being behind the screen all the time. It's best to just connect with people. That's how you get more um, sales, more customers, just more anything in general that you're trying to do with online marketing. You have to learn how to connect with people. So set up a meeting tomorrow at 8:30, between 8:30 10:30. I'm gonna check up with him tomorrow and see if he still will still be available, so I can go ahead and show him the presentation video, what we have to offer. But right here, I went ahead and sent him the I Decide presentation where it can warm him up. He can go see what it's all about before we even get into the interview and see if this is actually for him, something he want to do. The interview is basically things like, why do you want to work from home? Have you ever worked from home before? What would you do with the money? Do you have a job? Just to see if he already have an income coming in where he can invest into this and go ahead and get started. So that's basically what the interview is all about. It's just seeing where they are in life and, if you're really wasting your time or if there's something that really can help them and let them know what we offer. So this is another person that was just like, information please. And I said the same thing, asking them when they be able to view it and when will they have time for an interview. Like I just want to connect with them. I don't want to just send them a link and not being able to connect with them other than behind the screen. So this is a person who, like, I totally want information. They are basically talking about moving back home, and they are afraid they're not going to have the money to travel. And I was just letting them know about the different deals and everything in that nature when it comes to the boomerang opportunity itself and what we have to offer. Now, how you want to follow up with your customers is basically simple. It's nothing hard. It's nothing at all. Like all you want to do. So he wants to join our boomerang, right? So all we have to do is just write him right here. He's waiting for a follow up. So he wants to join our boomerang. You just basically write him or email him because I don't think you put a number. So you could email him, you could copy that email and send out your own personal email, or um, or like right here you can customize the message. I like this. I just like this I decide system because you can do a lot with it. Now, with these people, with the numbers, you could just call them or you could text them like, hey, I see that you started watching the video. Were you able to finish reviewing all of the information? If they say yes, you ask them like, what did you like best? Do not say, what do you think you like best? Just say, what did you like best about the opportunity or the product? If they say no, just be like, oh, okay, sorry to hear that. And then you just shoot them the link again where they're able to see it again. Because, people are human. Might got kids, they may forget, they may, have something else going on, but that small reminder or a small follow up about this opportunity, click that bell like, oh man, I was watching an amazing opportunity. I was watching a presentation on how I can travel more and save more. And that small little follow up could get them back to where they need to be, because in life stuff do happen. People do get off track all the time. People are not always focused, so you just never know. And you just want to keep building this list. You just want to keep sending people to these. You just want this list to get bigger, bigger, and bigger, and bigger, and bigger. So that being said, guys, man, that was basically the blueprint on this Instagram ad runner. Now, let me say, when you do decide to run an ad on these stories or one of your posts, what you want to do is send them directly to your messages. Like it's a link. So once they see this at the bottom, it will be something like view profile picture or learn more, which you can send to the presentation video or another website. I send them directly to my messages because they say I'm already in. Let me know if you want more info. So at the bottom, it will just say send message. Click it, it goes directly to my direct messages on Instagram. So I'll be making a video next showing you guys how to create an Instagram ad or how to create a Facebook ad. It's basically the same thing, but Instagram I feel like it's more um how can I put it? It's more intense because you see the results faster and it's just better to me. Even though Instagram is and Facebook is owned by the same person, but Instagram ads is better than Facebook ads in my opinion. And I've been running both here and there, trying to see which one. I've been testing them out, and this just been a great run so far. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with this ad. I'm just giving y'all the results. Y'all can try this stuff out with this iBoomerang opportunity. If you don't know about it, will be a link below in the description. Make sure you check it out. It's a great opportunity. Save when you travel, help people save, and you get paid. That simple. So if y'all like this content that I gave y'all, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell so y'all be first to know. Click that icon. Yeah, right there. It's me. Click it. Make sure y'all subscribe. Other than that, out.